Hello and welcome to the second lesson. Today we will learn about plural nouns and how we can form singular nouns into plural nouns. There are some nouns that end in S, like a boy, boys, a house, houses, a sock, socks. There are some nouns that end in ES, for example, a dish, dishes, a watch, watches, a box, boxes. With nouns that end in ES as a dish, dishes, a watch, watches, a box, boxes, a bus, buses, there are some rules. For example, with words that end in SH, like here we have a dish, so it ends in SH. We only add ES to have the plural, dishes. Dish plus ES gives us dishes. This is the plural noun. With words that end in CH, like watch, we only add ES. Then we have the plural, watches. With words that end in X, like a box, we only add ES to have the plural, boxes. And with words that end in S, we only add ES to have the plural noun, boxes. These are the rules. There are nouns that end in IES. For example, a baby becomes babies. A puppy becomes puppies. The basic rules. So for example, baby, what comes before Y? We look for Y, and what comes before Y? We will see that there is B. So B is a consonant before Y. So when we have Y, and before this Y there is a consonant like B in baby, we change Y into I. Then we add ES to form the plural, babies. Puppy, another example. So with puppy we have P before Y. So P is a consonant that comes before Y. We change Y into I, then we add ES to have the plural noun, puppies. Another example, we have a boy. The plural is boys. So with boy is a little bit different. So what comes before Y? We have O. So O is a vowel before Y. It's not a consonant. So when it is not a consonant, we only add S to the noun to form the plural, boys. Look here, boy, O, it is a vowel. We only add S to have the plural noun, boys. There are other plural nouns that are formed by adding VES. For example, a leaf. A leaf is singular noun. To form the plural, it becomes leaves. Leaves. The rule. So with leaf, it ends with F. So we change F to V, and then we add ES to have the plural, leaves. Another example, we have a knife. So this word ends in FE. It becomes knives. So with knife, we change FE to V, and then we add ES to form the plural noun, knives. Knives. Then we have another category of plural nouns, which are called irregular plurals, that they don't follow a rule, and we have to learn them by heart. For example, a child. This is singular because we have used a child. The plural becomes children. Children. Another example, a man. It becomes men. Men with E, not with A, and we don't use A. A man, singular, man, plural. Another example, a tooth. A tooth. 1. Plural, teeth. Teeth. So there is no rule, we just have to learn them by heart. Another example, a foot. 1. A foot. The plural is feet. I hope that was very clear to you, and I hope to see you with another lesson. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.